2, 3, 4. Hey Loog Nation, it's Mr. Will with another episode, and we're looking at Zombie by the Cranberries, and I'm going to do my best today to just do a one-take lesson. This song is really easy, and I want you all to have a good time jumping into this 1990s hit. The Cranberries, an Irish band, they're amazing. Lingers, another song that they did. If you want me to teach you how to play it, drop a comment, I'll hit you up. Let's dive right into this. We have 4 chords in the same order throughout the entire song. That's what makes this such a good song to play. We're just going to play the same 4 chords. Now, I've rearranged these 4 chords just a little bit for the Loog to try and mimic the sound of the original song. So listen up. Here we go. We have our E minor, the easiest chord we can play on the Loog. Talking 0 frets, just strumming that down. Then we're going to play a C. Now in the song it's a C major 7, but in the Loog we're going to play a C major. C, first finger, second string, first fret. Then we're going to jump to a G. Now I'm going to play what's called a G5, and I'm going to add my 3rd finger to the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and then my pinky is going to be on the 1st string, 3rd fret, 3rd fret, strings 1 and 2, fingers 3 and 4. Why 3 and 4? Because we're going to change to a modified D in just a second. So we've got this G. So it sounds really cool with the D instead of the open B string. And then we're going to jump, then we're going to kind of drop to an F sharp. This is what they do with the low string on a 6-string guitar, but we're going to do it with the high string to give it the same kind of dissonance feel of a kind of an odd D chord. So we've got our G with these 2 fingers, and then we're going to drop 2. So I'm just letting my 2nd finger now play the 2nd fret of the 1st string, instead of my pinky playing the 3rd fret of the 1st string. So let that off. And those are your 4 chords. E minor, C, our modified G with 2 fingers, and then a modified D chord with 2 fingers. 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the 1st string. The easiest way to play this song, and you can be done in a matter of minutes here with this lesson, is to play rock 8th notes. That's all down strums. We're going to strum 8 times per chord. It'll sound something like this. And we're going to repeat that. That is the progression and the count, the entire song. The entire song. And you would sound really good just rocking out with that. Rock 8th notes, strumming down, 8 strums for each chord, counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and changing every 4 beats or 8 strums from E minor, C, the modified G to the modified D. There's your song. That is level 1, Cranberries, Zombie. There you go. And that's the whole song. How do we make it different between the verse and the chorus? Well, I think it has a lot to do with the intensity of our strumming, and then also we can modify the strum just a little bit to mimic the very beginning of the song, and that sounds something like this. We're going to strum down, 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 up, up, down, up, down, up. Had to check my notes. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up. And I'm going to strum really lightly. So I'm going to feel eighth notes again, but every once in a while I'm going to do a little up-down feel, and that's kind of like a syncopated 16th note. More on that later. Let's just follow this pattern. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up. So you saw there I changed into the rock eighth notes, and that was our seamless transition from kind of opening the song into the verse. The verse, I'm definitely going to strum lighter, right? I'm going to try and keep the tempo the same, even though I'm strumming lighter. Strumming lighter, even though I'm plugged in, still can have a little bit of an effect. And then when I get to the chorus, I want to strum harder. On the electric guitar, it doesn't have that much of an impact unless you're able to toggle and swing your volume or play around with pedals, things like that. But on an acoustic guitar, you're going to have a big impact on playing soft and then playing loud. And this song sounds fantastic on acoustic guitar as well, or the acoustic Loog as well. Great. So there's your song. We have dynamics, we have a little bit of strumming options, and just know that as you're singing, in your head, someday, what's in your head, someday. You're playing the same four chords the whole time. Hey, I hope you like this lesson. If you're having a good time, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel or hit that notification bell so you know that we're dropping a video every week on Thursdays for you to learn cool rock songs on your Loog, proving that the Loog is a real instrument and you can rock out on it. If you have a song you want to learn, let me know in the comments below, okay? Great, guys. This was really fun. That was an easy lesson. Hope you had a good time. I'll see you soon. Bye.